So we've got a Centurion D5 gate motor here with collision sensors on the gate infrared. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the timing of this thing. So for that, here's the controller features. We're going to go on to auto close and make sure that is on, and then we're going to change the auto close time. There's 3 settings. The first flash is 15 seconds, standard condominium Pyrac, but I'm going to send it to 15 seconds. So to do that, all I do is I remove the power. I just pull off the battery, make sure it doesn't touch there. Then this wire coming in here is the power wire. Take that off, you'll see the charge light went out. Then I come to this trim pod over here, set lug, and I put it over the 2. So basically you're shorting out those 2 pins there. Now I'm going to reapply the power. See, the charge light came on and the status light is flashing 5 times. Okay. So now we need to get into, it's in programming mode now, but we need to feature number 2. So to do that, we're going to hold this test button and this L1 light is going to flash. Status light will go off. So if I hold this, L1 flashes 1, L flash 2 times, I let go. Now you see L2 is continually flashing 2 times. That means feature 2 is selected. Okay, so feature 2, which is this one, I want to make sure it's on. So I'm going to push L1 after the test button again till it flashes. L1 flashes once. Press the test button. Flashes once and I'll let go. So now the status button flashed once. So now it is in. We've set the time. Now we need to set the auto close time, which is feature number 3. So once again, I'm going to press the test button and watch the status light go off, and L1 needs to flash 3 times to get into that programming mode. So I press the button. Let me do it like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and I'll let go. Okay, so now you can see L1 keeps on flashing 3 times. And for this feature I want 15 seconds, which is let me just do it. 1 flash is 1 second. So all I'll do is I'll hold this in, this test button, hold it in, the status light will start flashing. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and I'll let go. That is it. So now it's set for 15 seconds. I come back here, I remove the pins, and lose this thing. I just put it back over there, and it's programmed. I can push it and put the power back on the battery as well. And that is it.